right? Okay, we're going to do a simple mathematics for smarting. Okay? Mr. Casono will provide the first number plus the second number from you. But the total end up must be not more than 50. 1, 5. Okay? Let's get a first number from Mr. Casono. Okay, just show me your fingers, okay? 6 plus 6. Okay, thank you, girl. 6 plus 6. Let's come together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Okay, we're gonna do one more time. Okay, your number, Mr. Casuno, will be 7 and 7 plus 5. Thank you, sir. Okay, one more time. Okay, Mati, 7 plus 5. Got it? Okay, let's come together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just told them you're really small, okay? Shame on you. I don't know what to say. Okay, one more chance for Smarty. Okay, one more chance. So lucky. Okay. Okay, this time you want to set number, different number. Different number? Okay. Your number is still 7 and 7 plus 8. Wow. Okay. 7 plus 8.
7 plus 8. 같이 줄까?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Yeah! I'm wondering what happened just now. Never mind. Okay, now Smarty, go back and do homework. Okay, let's go over there. Thank you, Smarty. I will do it and go.